High $8 million plus revenue influence through systemized execution. 100 plus accounts audited, stabilized, and optimized, and 50 plus businesses supported through CRM, automations, AI, and growth systems. By the way, I am Engineer Paul Vince Valencia, and that's my portfolio down there. So, but numbers, these numbers in front of you, without context, are just numbers. So, let me show you a real one. A client I delivered, okay, a client I delivered is from here in Manila. I can show you the brand. We are under NDA, but the engineering, the systems, the architecture, the way it all connects, that I can show you. And it's the exact same engineering I would use on yours. So this is the case study. So real proof of work, an aesthetic clinic group here in Metro Manila with 3 branches targeting premium clients. The client conducted under NDA, but the engineering is the same. So here's the problem. Before a business running on memory, so some of it are traditional and still manuals, they adapted some digital platforms or softwares, but still it's scattered, no? And so the pain one is the invisible on Google. So site blocked by robots, customer searching, and no sitemap for Google had nothing to crawl in the first place. Their Google business profile had been lost, no, for years. So meaning they already have business profile, but it has never been optimized. Okay, and it is scattered across multiple accounts. So their digital assets were fragmented. No single place to manage anything. No lead capture. No email marketing. So just take note, no, why email marketing is still important, whether you're anywhere part of the globe, because it is free. Once it is, once it was engineered properly, set up properly, it is a free marketing. Google, email marketing. All right. So and rebookings depended entirely on receptionist remembering to follow up. So that's why we implemented some CRM and systems inside. In an engine room, any one of this would shut down. Okay, in a business, they shut down revenue. Most owners don't even know they're leaking. So I engineered the fix. All right. So here is the growth and automation system architecture I made for this business. So before I was a meta ads expert for clinic brands, and I only use meta ads. No, meta ads are revenue system. I optimize their business profile on Facebook or Instagram. But I noticed something after 2 years of doing that. There's always a leak because Meta Business Suite has limitations or minimum features to maximize or optimize leads capturing. That's why I introduced the CRM, which I am already using for 5 years now. I'm using GHL, System.io, and many more GHL, where I used to capture, then automate, then make revenue to the business. So here are your system architecture in front of you. First, the meta ads, Google search, organic social, direct or referral. Normally for acquisition, I always say if you want faster, then we do the ads, or media buying. Then the second stage or pacing is the capture. So where we capture landing pages, opt-in forms, or in the pancake.ph. By the way, Pancake is an omni-channel platform that can handle a lot of inquiries inside or in the inbox of every social media platform like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Shopee, Lazada, and many more. Okay, so it consolidate in one platform. So it is really good for automations and aligned platform. Then that's why we orchestrated inside an automation engine, CRM. So Data Hub, it all connects. So what I did is the landing page, the blog site, everything connected to the Pancake, to the opt-in form. So they're all interconnected. So there will be no leaks. Then afterwards, we made the automations. The automation, of course, it's for nurture, reminders, and for rebooking of client or leads. Then the pipelines, it has 6 stages per branch, meaning 6 stages. For example, first stage is the new lead. Second stage is a client or a lead book in the calendar. Third is where they avail the services or it is already won. Then fourth, follow up, then lost, and then rebooking, something like that. So here we have also email engine, and this is one of the very powerful automations or marketing system, no, the email marketing. And to make it work and optimize, we need to have analytics, so end-to-end monitoring. So we also made that for the client. And what you call this one, the bookings. All right, so yeah. Okay, I hope you understand this one. uh, the the middle is the brain. Okay, so the automation engine. So it is interconnected in everything. Every lead enters here, every decision happens here. CRM, orchestration, data hub, all in one core. All right. And then the problem uh, this January is no current website and pages were not indexed. No sitemaps detected. Google had no maps to discover or rank any pages. Google business profile was lost and unaligned for years. Digital assets were fragmented. No single place to manage website, email ads, or CRM. No lead capture, no automation, no email marketing, inquiries and rebookings dependence on manual effort. So we engineered the plan. 4 weeks, 4 systems, one ecosystem. Week one, what I did is I bought the domain. I set up the infrastructure, the omni-channel integration. I started it so it can capture data. And then the CRM persona mapping. So I really need that because I need to analyze what's working and what's not. So local SEO and profile audit. And then the week two, conversion and content, the mobile first landing pages, because we already know some of the hot buyers or hot leads, hot customers are using phone. So when they decide, sometimes they're not using laptop or computer, they're using phone to decide quickly. So that's where we put some sales psychology in the hero or brand page, the authority blog site. So the ranking on Google will go up. 3 power blog articles about their services. And the week three, so booking journey automation. So we started the automation and the pre-visit nurture sequences, rebooking follow up, and we also created AI auto replies. Okay, para so that the CSR will not going to will not have a hard time on their or answering their inboxes. So readiness and handover, CSR receptionist training. I also conducted training in their clinics where the staff learn how to use the Pancake and then the booking systems that IO. End-to-end automation testing, analytics, dashboard setup, monitoring tutorial. Okay, so sequence like a sea trial. So I see this one as a sea trial on ship because when a ship was built in the shipyard and it's about to run, we have this so-called sea trial. Okay, so each phase commissions the next. So that's why we have also pacing in the shipbuilding or in the marine engineering, marine naval engineering. Okay, so we move forward now on our next slides where what it produced in the first 28 days or more than a month. So 100% we delivered the core milestone. Just take note, no, every milestone it has multiple jobs works to set those things up. Okay, and for the search impressions, we have 2.57K. And to tell you, this is really big. This is really high because of the contents we made. We collaborated with the social media marketing team, and then the the contents. So that's very important. You collaborated because if you know the brain, if you know how digital marketing works, the algorithm, without making too much effort on creating creativity, but the sales psychology behind it, it will going to work absolutely. Okay, so search clicks from zero, so it already had 154 on the search console. 10 plus extra deliverables free I made on the client because I just wanted to make it work. Okay, and that's why hiring an engineer or a marine engineer who works literally on machines, engines, is really worth it. Why? On ships, we don't sleep if there's a big trouble happen. Our main purpose there is to keep the ship running at all times. So as an engineer, even we don't sleep for 20 hours, 24 hours, or maybe 48 hours, just having nap just to fix and repair some damages or problems on board. We will do that. So not just me, but the whole team, just to make it work. Same with business, right? Every business owners, sometimes they don't care how complex it is or how technical it is what you made for their business or in the digitals. What is important to them is the results, the outcomes, and if it is working. So that's why we do some 10 plus extra deliverables for free. All right. And then here's the result in the console. As you can see it here, this is the actual. And this is my gun chart I made for them. So week one, as you can see, it's already done. And okay, this is the automations. This is the pipeline. And then, yeah, the metapixel, as you can see, goes high. The tracking code I made inside the CRM, so the data will align and live live those data are live. Okay, so as you can see, this is the CRM. It has dashboard, it has sites. So in the CRM, you create the contacts, the tagging, the pipelines, the calendar. These are all inside the booking systems that I manage, and I am the integrator of that platform. So I also created email marketing. So in the email marketing, I created two types of email, which is the storytelling email, just words, okay. And then the other one is the magazine design email. It has so many creatives, design, etc. Okay. And then these are the 10 extra systems shipped at no extra cost. I created lead magnet systems. I told them that we needed an offer, a resistible offer for get leads to get the email addresses of leads. So I'm very familiar with this one because I've been doing that for 3 years in all many ways. So the purpose of ads, of creatives, is to make the scroller stop and magnet them into your system, whether it is in the ads, form, inbox, website, landing pages, opt-in forms, anything. So that's what I understand on this. The SEO authority blog, of course, this is very important. Even your brand or business has no ads, it still works because of the SEO. Paid ad campaigns, of course, numbers game here, compounding. You can, by using paid ads, you can target many as you want. Email campaigns, Okay. Opt-in forms I created with calendar, profile recovery, Chrome Command Center. So this is the one full ecosystem. So before they're using different Google accounts, different browsers. So I told them in Google Chrome there's a proper optimization in there. For example, you created a group, bookmarks with proper name, making it organized so it is already one click, because if you have multiple tabs it also your brain also scattered. Okay, so for this one brand AI workspace, of course I use ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, and right now I use Claude. I created a project so that everything I do for the brand it is all aligned. I uploaded a file, everything I upload there, and on the chat it just act just like a rug. And then the email integration. So the email integration, whether email to the owner, email to the staff, email to the client, email to me, I made the notifications. It's just a matter of automations and setting it up. So this is part I'm most proud of, the 9 extra systems. Okay, so you fully see it. So every month, this is what I am monitoring. Of course, the Google Console, if it is uh, searching or having fluctuations or what. And here, as you can see, email marketing, Google or calendar bookings. You can see here the details. Who are the leads who book in the calendar? Instagram and Facebook analytics here. And then the automation statistics. Also, I made a few automations in their inbox because before they're just sending links, and that links sometimes client are very doubt to click it. But if it is a buttons, uh, it's highly possible to press. And the good thing about that is you have analytics behind that. You know people who press that button rather than sending links without no data at all. Okay, and another one. Okay, actually, this is the last one. Delivered in full and beyond. That's one client under NDA. So the name stays redacted, but the engineering is exactly what I'm about to build live. All right. So here, pakita ko sa inyo. So here, I'm going to show you the exact system I use in the CRM. So here, you go here at bookingsystems.io. You click that and create an account here. Click this one. If you click this, just put your email address. You will receive an email address. Confirm your email address. Click here.